Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about another rocket stock or momentum stock that is set to move much higher. Now, as you've been following, we've had a tremendous recovery in the markets, really kind of a V-shaped recovery. And as such, in the last few weeks, we've been focusing on rocket stocks that have been outperforming the market and showing good relative strength. And I first want to congratulate all of you who were in CyberArk along with me last week. When it reported earnings went up about 20%. And so I've been getting a lot of requests for more stocks like this. And I've just come across a really interesting trade that we've talked about in the past. This could also function as a long-term investment. And that is a company called iRobot, which has had a lot of ups and downs. You probably know it as the maker of Roomba, these vacuum cleaners, these robot vacuum cleaners that will go around your house and vacuum. Very interesting company, and has been really outperforming the market recently. Had a very good earnings report a few days ago. You can see right here, this is when it reported earnings right here, and it's just been moving higher ever since then. The ticker is IRBT, and you can see where we're trading. We're trading above the 50-day moving average, which is this blue line. The stock's above the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average, which is this red line. The other thing I really like about this is that it's currently trading at all-time new highs as of Friday, closed at all-time new highs. The previous closing high was 117.71. We just closed at 119.39. Now, it may seem counterintuitive to trade a stock that's to buy a stock that's trading at all-time new highs, and it can be risky. But what the nice thing about a stock that's at all-time new highs is that every single person who's holding the stock has a profit on their position. And so there's no upside resistance as people selling, trying to get back to break even, as you've had in some stocks, like some of the FANG stocks, for example, which are having a lot more trouble rallying. So this is a very, very interesting play. I think it can move a lot higher. It's fairly small market cap, only about a $3 billion stock. And the other thing I like about it is if we go to Yahoo Finance, just go to Google, type in Yahoo Finance. And then we're just going to type in the ticker here, IRBT. And then if we go over here to statistics, and we scroll down on the right side here, we'll see something very interesting. So you have a couple things when you have a stock. You have the number of shares outstanding. So this has 27 million shares. And then you have the float, which is how many shares are available for trading. And so it's about 27 million. Are available for trading that you can buy and sell that aren't locked up by insiders. Now, the most interesting thing is the percentage of shares that are currently sold short, people betting on a decline in the stock. As of January 30th, almost 43% of all the shares, of the complete float of the stock were held short. So these are people who have been being squeezed quite badly. They were massively short the stock down here. Down here, we've had this good earnings, and they've been covering their shorts. And we don't have the latest short figures yet, but I would suggest that there's still a lot of these people short. And we're at a very interesting point here where the stock could really blast a lot higher since it's already at all-time new highs. So I think an interesting trade, and I've been long the last few days. I think this is a fairly good risk reward. You can be long around here, anywhere around 119, and then use as a stop loss 112. If the stock trades below this level, then we want to be out. But I think this could definitely move a lot higher over the coming days, especially if this market recovery continues. And it's looking like we have a kind of a V-shaped market recovery. And so these kind of stocks are the ones that are really going to outperform as the recovery continues. Now, if you've listened this far and you'd like to learn more about these momentum strategies, these rocket stock trading strategies, you should check out my courses at trader.university. And I'll put a link in the description notes below. And if you click on that link, you'll be taken to this page. You can see I've got a bunch of courses here. I highly recommend Learn to Trade Stocks Like a Pro. It's a very good place to start. And in addition, I have a bunch of other courses here. I have swing trading with options. I have some courses on beginner's courses on options, on covered calls, as well as some courses on futures, price action trading, and real estate as well. So if you enjoy my videos, my YouTube videos, definitely check these out. And if you just click in the description note below, you'll be taken to this page, Join. And you can see the monthly tuition for 30 days access is $125. And this gives you access not only to learn to trade stocks like a pro, but to all of my courses on here. And I'm continually updating it and adding more lectures and courses. And as a member of Trader University, if there's something you'd like me to record a course on, I'm happy to do that. So it's normally $125 a month tuition. But for my YouTube listeners, I'm currently running a special where I'm going to give you $26 off. And you just need to use the code that's in the description notes below, YouTube 2019. So if you just go here, click in the notes, description notes below, go down here, then where it says have a coupon code, you'll just want to type in YouTube 2019, click update, and you'll see you'll get the YouTube special. So it'll be just $99 for 30 days. You can watch all the courses in 30 days and then cancel if you want, though I'm going to constantly be adding more material. Thanks for listening to this video. If you have any questions or comments, I welcome them below, or suggestions for future YouTube videos. Just drop them in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And please like this video. It'll help other people to find it. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.